bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Babies born at 35 weeks may experience slight delays in developmental milestones compared to their full-term counterparts, but they often catch up by their first or second year. Expected milestones include social smiles by around 2 months corrected age, cooing and turning the head towards sounds by 2 to 3 months corrected age, and grasping objects and rolling over from front to back by 4 to 6 months corrected age. It's important for parents to provide stimulating environments with plenty of tummy time, interactive play, and reading to support their development. Always consult a pediatrician if there are concerns about a child's development.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.